Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. I got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. This one's a little different. I'm just going to say hi to some boys that we ride with, and I figured I'd let these guys roll on the Chimera. We got a little bit of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. I've got the Chimera unleashed at full power, 3,800 watts, 25% field weakening, so I got full torque, I got full top speed. Let's see what these guys are up to. Let's see, I'm on, just passing by, what is this, 5th Street. So 5 more streets to go.
Hey!
What up?
Yeah!
What's up?
What's up, man? What's up? Yo.
What's up?
The Chimera bike. I met another guy with the Chimera.
Hey, someone just got one delivered in Brooklyn.
I don't know where I ran into him. I don't know. I couldn't tell you who I was with or anything, but he pulled up with somebody else. He flipped it over, and I was like,
Awesome.
boom, Chimera. That's
So
the Chimera.
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I figured if any of you guys wanted to give it a spin, go
Please,
for it.
yeah, definitely. Yeah.
It's at full rip, so
Let's do
just
it.
be careful on potholes. That's it.
I'm more interested in the throttle too, the throttle response. What's up, guys? Backup Mike here from Frantic TV. Oh, these brakes are so good. Now to Vinny, this is a scary bike. To me, this is just a little toy. Woo! Now, yeah, this is awesome. Oh, and the brakes are so good. Oh, it sounds so good.
We gotta go to the left.
This is so good. Whoop. Whoop. Oh. Oh. Fantastic.
Fun.
You just got one hell of a video there. Awesome. This is awesome.
You want to give it? You want to give it another spin?
I was saying how I love how you give us that warning of, oh, be careful, be careful.
Just don't, no potholes.
If you were here 3 seconds ago listening to the bike,
It's fine with everything.
Messed up foot and everything. Ah!
A little more jump, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah. I got you. Like that.
Baby's turn.
Oh shit, here we go. Hello. All right, Johnny, run me down real quick. What's the specs?
3,800 watt motor. It's a quick 200 millisecond throttle engagement.
Okay.
It'll get you 0 to 30 in like 5 seconds.
Awesome.
And I think your top speed will probably be around 35. So
Right.
just watch out for puddles so you don't ditch it.
Hell yeah.
That's it.
Shout out to Johnny Prime. This is Wavy on the bike now. We're about to see what this shit really, really does. And, you know, we're not responsible for breaking the law. Nah. Sorry, mama. Hey, hi. Johnny, oh Johnny, you, my friend, just put the biggest smile on my face.
Oh, here he is.
Yeah, I have no words besides you made the best purchase money can buy. This is a beautiful bike. This is a beautiful bike. Jay, no way, bro. Yo, dude, this is awesome. No lies.
It's
This
fun.
is awesome.
It's
This
fun
is
for the
awesome.
city. It's like
Hell yeah.
I really like it. I really like it for
Yeah, I think this is a great purchase. Honestly
Yeah.
speaking.
yeah.
This is really, really cool. It feels sturdy when you're riding. It's comfortable.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like it's like your typical BMX bike, a little rough, but amazing ride. Absolutely. It literally wasn't what I expected. Not gonna hold you up.
It's so
It was
clean.
a lot more than what I expected.
The sound of the rear wheel.
For sure. That was the coolest part.
It's crazy. I think I don't know if it's a freewheel or it might be a cassette.
I don't know.
But it's like 216 points of engagement, so it sounds like a wasp nest or a beehive or
Yeah,
something.
that's definitely that's
crazy.
the real deal right here. That's
Crazy.
the real deal. I'm definitely happy you let us ride it, bro. Like,
Yeah,
for
man.
real, I really appreciate that.
Of course.
Dopeness.
Thanks for letting us do that.
You got it. All right, man. I'm gonna head out of here and get some dinner. See you guys. Enjoy.
Yo, man.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this episode of Around the Hood in 8 Minutes, starring Johnny Prime. Make sure to like and subscribe. Come back and check us out on Frantic TV. And always remember, wear a helmet!